Ever felt that sinking feeling when a product or service just isn't what you expected, and now you're wondering how to get your money back? Especially in the fast-paced world of dropshipping, where digital products and services are common, understanding refund policies can feel like navigating a maze. Maybe you invested in an AliDropship plugin, a custom store, or a service, and for whatever reason, it's not living up to your expectations. Perhaps you encountered a technical issue that couldn't be resolved, or the service wasn't delivered as promised. Whatever the scenario, you're now searching for answers on how to secure a refund from AliDropship. Well, you're in the right place. Getting a refund from any company, even a reputable one like AliDropship, requires understanding their specific terms, knowing what you're eligible for, and following the correct process. It's not always as straightforward as clicking a refund button, especially when dealing with digital goods or services that involve significant setup and customization. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, shedding light on AliDropship's refund policies and guiding you through the exact actions you need to take to maximize your chances of getting your money back. We'll cover everything from the specific products and services that are eligible for refunds to those that generally aren't, the critical timeframes you need to be aware of, and the exact communication channels to use. This isn't just about sending an email and hoping for the best. It's about being informed, prepared, and persistent. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to navigate the AliDropship refund process with confidence. So let's dive in and get you closer to understanding how to handle those refund requests effectively. First things first, it's absolutely crucial to understand AliDropship's refund policy, as it varies depending on the product or service you purchased. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation, and misinterpreting the terms can lead to frustration and a denied request. Let's start with the AliDropship plugin and add-ons. This is where you have the most flexibility. AliDropship offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for their plugin and add-ons. This is excellent news if you've tried the plugin and found it doesn't meet your needs or encountered issues that couldn't be resolved by their support team. The key here is the 30-day window. You need to initiate your refund request within this period from the date of your purchase. If you're past this time frame, unfortunately, you're unlikely to get a refund for the plugin itself. Now, let's talk about services, and this is where things get a bit more nuanced. Services like custom store development, established stores, premium stores, Celica, landing pages, and subscriptions like Selvia and premium products generally have different refund terms. For most of these services, refunds are not provided once the team has started working on the service or the service has already been delivered. Think about it. Developing a custom store or setting up a complex service involve a significant investment of time and resources from AliDropship's team. Once that work has begun or is completed, it's difficult for them to recoup their costs, hence the strict policy. However, there's a critical caveat for services. You can cancel and potentially get a refund before the team has started to work on the service. This usually means within one business day of placing your order. If you have second thoughts immediately after purchasing a service, your best bet is to act quickly. Contact AliDropship support as soon as possible to cancel the service before work commences. You'll need to receive a cancellation confirmation from their support representative for it to be considered canceled. What about hosting services? AliDropship's hosting service is a yearly paid service. For this, you typically have a 30-day window for a full refund after the purchase. If you decide to discontinue using their hosting after this 30-day period, you might be eligible for a partial refund based on the remaining active service time. However, be aware that if you request a refund for hosting, your account will be blocked and then terminated with no way of restoration. So make sure to back up any data you need before initiating such a request. It's also important to distinguish between issues with the AliDropship software or service and issues with your dropshipping business itself. AliDropship provides the tools, but the success of your store, product selection, marketing efforts, and customer returns for physical products are generally your responsibility. For instance, if your customer requests a refund for a damaged product they receive from your supplier, that's a matter between you, your customer, and your supplier, not AliDropship. While AliDropship offers guidance on handling such scenarios within your dropshipping business, they don't issue refunds for problems originating from your store's operations or your suppliers. So you've reviewed the policy, confirmed your eligibility, and you're ready to request a refund. What's the process? The primary and most effective way to request a refund from AliDropship is to contact their customer support directly via email. The email address you should use is support@alidropship.com. When you send your email, be sure to include the following essential information to expedite the process. Your order number. This is crucial for them to locate your purchase quickly. Without it, they'll have trouble identifying your transaction. Date of purchase. This helps them verify your eligibility, especially if there's a time-sensitive refund window. The specific product or service you wish to refund. Clearly state whether it's the AliDropship plugin, a specific add-on, or a service. A clear and concise reason for your refund requests. Be honest and specific. If it's a technical issue, describe it. If the service wasn't delivered as promised, explain that. If you're within the 30-day window for the plugin and simply changed your mind, state that. Any relevant screenshots or supporting documentation. If you encounter an error or there's a discrepancy in service delivery, visual proof can significantly strengthen your case. Once you've sent your email, patience is key. AliDropship support team is generally responsive, but it can take some time to process requests and for them to investigate your case, especially if it's complex. Keep an eye on your inbox for their reply. They might ask for further information or offer troubleshooting steps if your request relates to a technical issue. If they offer troubleshooting, it's often a good idea to engage with it, as they might be able to resolve your problem without needing a refund, which could be a better long-term solution if you still want to use their product. However, if their solutions don't work or you're simply firm on your decision, reiterate your refund request clearly and politely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.